how to send crypto from Bybit unified account to normal. So let me show you step by step how to do it. First up, after you open up now your Bybit account, go to your asset button. After you go to assets, so now we tap on this transfer button. After you select the transfer, so before you start, let me explain something for you. So in this option now you have two options. So the first one, if you look at this here, is funding, and the second one is unified trading account. So the funding account, this is the account that some people call it as normal. So let's say now if you go to your Bybit P2P and that you want to sell your your USDT in the P2P section, if you have not withdraw or transfer the crypto, the USDT from your unified trading account to your funding account, if you go to the P2P section, you won't be able to see the USDT because it's not available. So to do that now, you just go ahead now and tap on this. The above section should be your unified trading. So I'll tap on the above section, this one, and then select unified trading at the above. So at the bottom should be my funding account. So from there now we tap on this option now and select the USDT. I'll select USDT and select the USDT. Here is it now. After you select the USDT or any crypto you want to transfer, now you type in the amount you want to withdraw. So let's type in the amount like this. After you type in the amount, so from there, if you have the balance, you just tap on this confirm button. By tapping on the confirm button, from there the asset or the crypto will be sent from your unified trading account into your normal account. That's the account that some people would call it normal because it is funding. Normally the funding account, some people call it as a normal account. So if you tap on this confirm button, it will just transfer. If you want to see the balance, go back. After you go back, then you go to this asset. After under the asset, you go to your funding. So under the funding here, you'll be able now to see the balance you transfer. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe, or meet in the next one.